Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Jochen, and welcome to Best of Both Worlds. Today we have Miss Sarah here today, and she is somebody we got from our casting call. And that is, if you have something that you want treated that's unusual, that might be of interest to other people, contact us and we can get you on the show and we can treat your different skin conditions. So Sarah, you have these red veins on your face. Now, how long have you had them?
Since I was a kid.
Since you were a kid?
Yeah, as long as I can remember.
Okay, and why did you want to get them treated today?
I'm honestly really self-conscious about them. It's one of the biggest reasons that I wear makeup is to cover them. It does make me very emotional. I just am really self-conscious about it. I feel like I have these weird red spots on my face, and I would love to be able to experience not having that and just feel like myself and not be weighed down by that.
Okay, well, we're really glad you're here, and I always think it's interesting when beautiful people get self-conscious about a minor imperfection, and that's why I think dermatology is so important, because we actually do treat things and that people think are minor but really make a big impact on how they feel about themselves. In fact, I'll have people come into the office all the time and say, I hate to bother you with this. And I always say, you know, that's what we're here for. So nothing is too small, and it's amazing how small things can really impact how you feel about yourself. So we're happy to work on this and get you so you feel better about yourself. We're going to be using a laser called the ExcelV. This is a really nice laser. It treats red spots, and it can treat fine lines. Telangiectasias are fine red spots. This is a really quick treatment. There are very few side effects other than a little bit of pain. There's going to be a little bit of swelling after the treatment. So this is going to be really easy, and you'll see how quick it is. So we're going to get started. Okay, so now we're finished, and then we're going to send you out of here with just a little bit of tinted sunscreen.
Sounds good.
And we'll have you back in a week just to take a look at you.
Okay.
Now, one of the side effects is you can get a little bruise like you have on your right cheek, or left cheek, excuse me.
Okay.
You can see that's a little bruise that she got right there. Now, as I said, just be really careful with sun exposure.
Right, yeah.
Okay, and then I'm going to put on a little bit of sunscreen. And we love this tinted sunscreen called Elta MD, one of our favorite to use. It's nice because it's basically a zinc type product. And it doesn't turn your skin purple if you're darker skin type or white if you're lighter skin type. And see how it's just blending in really nicely. So if you go back to work or if you have plans, you can just really cover it up with this sunscreen. So that is it. So you did great, Sarah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in.
It was a breeze.
Easy stuff. I love that. So tune in next week for more Bob W. And if you have anything that you'd like to talk about with your red spots, or if you'd like to see anything, please contact us down below.